Seal edition. Put a finger down. Put a finger down if a doctor ever called you a drug addict. Put a finger down if a doctor discharged you stating that you're not sick and you really was in a crisis. Put a finger down if you ever had more than 2 surgeries. Put a finger down if a doctor had you F up. Put a finger down if you ever had a port. Put a finger down if a doctor or nurse had to try multiple times to access a vein for you. Put a finger down if your eyes be yellow most of the times. Put a finger down if you miss multiple events due to sickle cell or multiple occasions due to sickle cell. Put a finger down if when you're by yourself you go into depression because your sickle cell just keep messing with you sometimes. Put a finger down if you're a strong warrior and when you're outside you put on a persona because that's just what you is, you're strong.